Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this braid out, or mermaid hair as I also like to call it. So hello, welcome back, and let's get started. I did this on freshly washed hair, but you can also achieve this look on unwashed hair as well. The important tools you'll need is some gel, 2 hair ties, a detangling brush, and a pintail, parter, or rat tail comb, whatever you like to call it. This part is so optional. You guys can part your hair however you would like it, down the middle, down the side. I like to do a slight side part. I just feel like that works best for me whenever I'm doing a braid out. I like the look of it, so that is what I'm doing right now. And you're just going to part from the front all the way to the back. Now, I will say that this is not a tutorial for braiding. However, I will link my tutorial for braiding below in the description if you don't know how to braid. We're going to be taking our hair gel. You can apply this before or after detangling. I kind of switch it up. On this side, I did it before detangling. On the other side, I did it after detangling. It kind of just depends on your flow. So I went ahead and applied the gel all over my hair from root to literally tips. After I applied what I assumed to be a necessary amount of gel, I went in and detangled my hair. You want to make sure it's nicely detangled before you go in and start braiding. Obviously, you can detangle throughout the way if you need to, but just make sure you can get as many out as you possibly can. As you guys saw, I added gel all throughout my hair. I do this because I do like my hair to be somewhat stiff when I'm braiding. It makes it easier to pick up the pieces and get more precision within the braids. However, I do go through and add some gel in, as you can see that I just did here. I do that to add some slip to my hair when I'm braiding, and also to add any more gel onto those pieces that probably didn't get it when I was running it through my hair. So that way we have each hair nicely coated, so that way it can catch the wave when we take the braids out. This might seem a little excessive to you guys, but I do like to go back in and add some more gel to the entire braid once it is finished. I feel like this also just helps me get more precision when I take my braid out. And I also feel like the more gel that I use, the longer my braid out lasts throughout the week. Ahead and finished the other side off camera, but here is what they are looking like. I believe I waited at least 5 hours for the gel to dry. You can, however, do this overnight as well. Now it is time to reveal the magic under these braids. I love a good braid out. It is probably one of my favorite hairstyles. It just makes my hair feel longer and just so like flowy and airy, and I love the overall look of it. Now, don't be alarmed if your hair feels crunchy when you take out the braid out. Some gels do that more than other ones. For me, the Garnier gel that I just used, it does make my hair slightly crunchy after taking it out. Don't worry, I have a solution for you guys so that you don't have to have crunchy hair when you're walking around. Grab your favorite hair oil and you're just going to scrunch and shake throughout your entire hair. This is also going to add a really nice shine to your hair and just make your hair look that much better. I feel like when I use oil, it does give me some more volume, so that is another plus to adding oil to your hair. And it's just going to make your hair more hydrated. Another way I like to achieve volume is to use this Bounce Curls volume brush. I just go through it, run that through my roots. I also like to run it through the back so that there's no parting in the back, because sometimes when you do a braid out, you can also be stuck with that middle part and no one likes that. So I make sure to run that all throughout my hair. And using this brush is also going to help add volume to the top so that it's not flat from when you did your braid outs. And here is the end result. I mean, I love it. Like I said, it makes my hair just look so much longer, and waves are just so pretty to me. It makes me just feel like I'm in summertime, and during this winter weather, I need that summer vibe right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can now achieve fun mermaid hair at home or just a simple everyday braid out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.